Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. We have another division problem for you. It is 241 divided by 17. This is from a subscriber, Colleen Johnson, said, can you please do 241 divided by 17, please? Yeah, we're going to do that for you. And also, Colleen says, hi, I'm kind of new and I love your videos. Thank you very much. I'm always looking at the comments and I love reading all the comments from my subscribers. We have on one of my shows, I did some jokes. My son did some jokes, and Alamata says, and I'm sorry for mispronounce your name. It's Alimata. Says, hello, I have a joke on my sleeve. What are the cat's favorite color? And she said, purple. Get it? Purple. I love your joke. Hey, if you got a cool joke to share with us and it's kid safe, put it down in the comments down there. And I'd sure appreciate hitting that likey button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes. All right, Colleen, let's do your problem right here. All right. We're going to move this over a little bit. That's not my move tool. Oh my goodness here. I got so excited about that joke. All right, let's move this over here. I'm having one of those days. You ever have one of those days that just kind of things go silly? All right, let's take this a little bit slower. Now I can do it. Oh, all right. Okay. Let's start a little slower right here. 17 has to go in here. First of all, the first step we have to do is to see how many times 17 goes into 241, and we have to divide. So I'm going to show you what 17 times 1 would be 17. I just want to show you what 17 times 2 would be. All right, and 7 times 2 would be 14. Carry the 1, and then 2 times 1 is 2, plus the 1 would be 34. So 17 times 2 would be 34, and that's too big. So we're just going to take 17 times 1. So when we do big problems like that, there are 4 steps that you're going to do. You're going to divide, multiply, subtract, and then bring down. Don't worry, I'm going to show you each of these steps. So again, how many times can I put 17 into 24? You can only put it 1 time. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 1 right here. It's kind of a little bit smaller one. And then I'm going to multiply. My next step is to multiply. So I'm going to take 1 times 17, which would be 17 right here. And then my next step is going to be subtraction. So I subtract, put a line right here, and I need to do a little borrowing right here. So the 2 will become a 1, and then this becomes a 14. And then 14 minus 7 equals 7. And then my next step is to bring down. What I mean by bring down, that means bring down the next number, which would be a 1. So I'm going to bring this all the way down here, and this would be 1. So now I have 71. And then I start the whole process over. I'm going to start to divide again. So again, how many times can I put 17 into 71? Well, I'm going to have to make a little bit bigger number. So I'm going to try 17 times 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. Put the 3 up here, and then 5 times 1 is 5. 6, 7, 8. That number is too big, so I'm going to try 17 times 4. Sometimes that's the only way to find the number, is to do a little bit of figuring right here. So I'm going to take 17 times 4. So 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2 up here, and then 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 2 would be 6. So my best answer is 68. 4 times 17 would be 68. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 4 right here. And then my next step is to multiply. 4 times 17 equals 68. So go ahead and put 68 right here. And then my next step is going to be subtraction. Put the line right here. And starting to run out of room a little bit, so I'm going to have to write just a little bit smaller right there. And then let's go ahead and subtract. I need to borrow, don't I? So I need to borrow 1 from the 7 here. This will make it a 6, and then this is 11. So then 11 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that would be 3. And do I have any numbers to bring down? No, you do not. And for this problem today, I'm just going to make it as a remainder. I'm not going to turn it into a decimal. If you like to do turn numbers, the division turn into a decimal answer, take a look at some of my other videos on this channel right here. But for right now, we're just going to make that a remainder. So I'm going to put an R right here. R, matey. And then remainder 3. 14, remainder 3. Hey, remember the 4 things that you have to do. It's division, multiply, subtraction, and then bring it down. And if you'd like to practice a few more of these problems like this, take a look at some of my other videos on here. Sure appreciate it. Hit that likey button. Let's get it to 100 likes right here. And take a look at my other video the other day. We reached 100,000 subscribers. We're way past that right now, but thank you so much. I could not have done it without you guys, so very excited. Hey, I'm trying to get a couple other channels of mine going, so I'd sure appreciate it if you can go over to, it's an outdoor channel that I'm doing. Can you go over there and hit that subscribe button? We just got just a few more subscribers, and if you could watch a couple of those videos, that would be so great. Also, we have another channel called Dino Math. If you look down in the description down below, we just need 50 more subscribers on that channel and about 2,000 watch hours. So if you can watch all the videos, oh my goodness, that'd be so much fun. But you got to get outside. Don't. Your parents will be like, no, what are you doing? It's like, I don't want you to spend all day watching videos. I want you to be active. So make sure you get some exercise out there, and you're eating well, and you're being nice to everyone, and getting a little better at mathematics. Write down in the comments if you got a joke. I'd love to hear a joke. Yeah. All right. Have a good day out there. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.